Doctors have started a campaign to try and stop sports injuries among kids. Physicians at South Bend Orthopedics are joining a national effort to educate young athletes, parents, trainers, and coaches about the rapid increase in youth sports injuries. WSBT's Alyssa Rossame joins us live this morning from Mishawaka. Alyssa, many parents may be shocked to learn just how common these injuries are.
Yeah, about 2 million high school athletes are injured every year. Another 3.5 million kids ages 5 to 14 are hurt playing sports. Doctors say injuries among young athletes are rapidly increasing nationwide and locally. Her frame may be small, but Sydney Kemp has quite an arm. The 10-year-old's been playing softball for 3 years.
She loves it. I mean, it's something that she wants to do.
Sydney's parents admit they're competitive, often coaching from the stands. They all had to take a timeout earlier this season.
I had pain back here, back behind my shoulder, and it just started to hurt so bad I started to cry sometimes.
I honestly, I hate to say, but I kind of blew her off. I'm like, she's 10. There's no way that her arm can be sore. And I said, oh, you know, we'll make sure you stretch better next time.
When the pain persisted, Sydney's coach wouldn't allow her to practice.
I think we would have pushed her maybe a little too far, and to have that third party step in and say, hey, you know, we're going to pull her out and we need to get this checked out, that was huge.
Sydney had a shoulder injury that put her on the bench for 8 weeks. She got help from athletic trainer John Coddington.
She was doing what 99 out of 100 ball players do in America today. She was throwing all arm and shoulder. She wasn't using her hip and her core to throw.
South Bend Orthopedics Dr. David Bainkoff says a lack of proper training, poor fitting equipment, and pressure from parents and coaches contribute to the rise in sports injuries among youth. He also says many children are overusing their bodies by specializing in just one sport.
We need more cross-training where young athletes are involved in other sports. We see so many kids who are just involved in one sport where there's a lot of pressure to not just play for a school but also on a travel team or to be in multiple leagues at the same time in one sport.
The Stop Sports Injuries campaign is an effort to educate the athletic community about the need to keep young athletes healthy and steps to help reverse the injury trend.
The concept that so many people have is that if you get hurt, we fix it and you're back to normal really isn't true. I think there are consequences to injuries and to surgery.
Dr. Bainkoff says his goal is to keep young athletes like Sydney out of the operating room and on the playing field. And for more information about the STOP campaign, you can go to their website at www.stopsportsinjuries.com. On that site, you'll also find a pledge that everyone involved in young athletes' lives is encouraged to sign.